We'll just drive this one back in. Hey guys, Brad here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a really big impact gun. But before we do that, check out the tools behind me. We're going to be kind of showing all these off in the next couple of weeks here, so make sure you subscribe, hit that notify bell, because there's some super cool tools. I can't wait to demo this. If you know what it is, I'm not going to tell you, but it's big, it looks like it's space aged, and it's awesome. So we're going to have some awesome reviews coming up. Make sure you subscribe. To this review though, we're looking at the DCF899. This is a massive, massive torque wrench. It is the 1/2 inch brushless 3-speed Impact XR 20 volt max impact driver. Now, this thing weighs in at 6 pounds and it has about 700 pounds of max torque on this thing and about 1,200 pounds of breakaway torque. It has 3 speeds here up on the front, so 1, 2, and 3, and they just switch through with this toggle. Very, very easy. I'll throw a light on, or a battery on here. We're using a 5 amp hour, and we're going to take off we're going to take a tire off with this thing. It's going to be no problem at all, but yeah, we'll demo that later here. So it's got a light that has a 20-second delay before it turns off. So that's kind of nice to have, you know, if you're working under a car or something like that, you can kind of use this as a little bit of a flashlight to sort of see around, get your tool into place before you're actually using it. The old style, you know, you had to like hold the trigger down a little bit, just kind of running it to keep that light on. So this is really nice. Like I said, it's beefy, it's solid. If you're into taking off a lot of big bolts and nuts and whatever, driving huge screws, you need one of these because it's pretty awesome. So I think other than it's big, I'm going to take it outside and we're going to try and take some lug nuts off. I also wanted to point out that in level 1 here, or speed 1, this is running at 400 RPMs. And then number 2, we're running at 1200 RPMs. And the third option here, we're running at 1900 RPMs. So I'll demonstrate that just by pulling the trigger here. So you can see it's pretty quick, and it stops right away. Okay. Number 2. That's our 1200. And number 1. That's 400 RPMs. All right, guys, so we're just going to use this on a trailer tire here. Not exactly putting this to a huge test. It's not like they're super, super torqued, but this will make this very, very easy. So we're just going to pull a couple of these off and make sure you're in reverse. All right, and that's down here. There's a forward and a reverse button, okay? And basically just stick it on, pulls it right off, no problem. Very, very easy. These sockets are not impact sockets. They're just Craftsman sockets, so I don't recommend them for you doing a lot of impacting because they can crack. You want to use the black impact sockets. But this, you know, just for this example, you guys get the idea. And then I'm just putting them back on here. And yeah, we'll just drive this one back in. And that's it. Super handy to have if you're working in a mechanic shop. Or let's say even if you're like a rally car driver or something like that. This would be a great tool to have in your kit. I like it a lot. It's definitely going to get me out of the jam if I have to change a tire. It's going to be really, really quick. I don't need, you know, to use a hand wrench or anything like that. So just an awesome, awesome impact driver to have. All right, guys, I think that's it. So please subscribe, hit that notify bell, give me a thumbs up if you like this. And I want to hear some comments down below. So till the next one, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.